In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and customize themes in Cursor AI. Cursor is built on top of the VS Code ecosystem, which means all of your color themes and appearance settings work the same way you might already know from Visual Studio Code. This makes it quick to personalize your editor so your code is easier to read and your workspace feels just right. The fastest way to switch themes is with the command palette. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux or CMD plus Shift plus P on a Mac. You'll see a search bar appear at the top of the screen. Start typing Preferences Color Theme. As soon as it appears in the list, select it. Cursor will show a list of installed themes, and you can move up and down with the arrow keys to preview each one in real time before you commit. When you land on something you like, press Enter to apply it. For example, Dark Modern is a popular choice if you prefer a crisp, high-contrast dark look that's easy on the eyes during long sessions. If you don't see a theme that fits your style, you can add more from the VS Code Marketplace right inside Cursor. Open the Extensions view, search for Theme, or enter the name of a theme you've heard about. Click Install on the one you want. Installation is quick, and once it's done, you can immediately switch to that new theme using the same command palette flow. Open the palette, choose Preferences Color Theme, and pick your newly installed option. The change takes effect instantly, so you can evaluate how code comments, strings, functions, and UI accents look without restarting. A few tips can make this smoother. Use keyword filters like dark, light, or bow, high contrast in the extensions view to narrow down what you're looking for. If a theme looks close but not perfect, try toggling through its variants, as many collections include multiple styles. While previewing, glance at both your editor and side panels. Good themes keep syntax readable and UI elements clear. And remember, because Cursor inherits VS Code's system, most themes that work in VS Code will work here as well. That's all you need to confidently change themes in Cursor AI. Open the command palette, choose Preferences Color Theme, pick a built-in option like Dark Modern, or install additional themes from the marketplace for deeper customization. Take a minute to experiment, find what feels best, and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable coding experience.